Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I know you all must be feeling very, very thrilled after learning so much about different concepts in today's assembly, right? So, tomorrow, my dear children, we have Fantastic Friday. And as you all know, first we say good morning to everyone. Then we say our prayers. After the prayer, we are also doing some exercises and learning some simple commands. And then we get introduced to the concepts that we do in our EduMax class. And besides that, we also have a big celebration tomorrow. It is Ganesh Chaturthi, my dear children. So we are going to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi with you all in tomorrow's morning assembly. And in the EduMax class, my children, foundation children, are going to have their assessment, and my Shem Prep junior children are going to learn about the Swar E, how to write the letter, the Swar E. And my Shem Prep senior children are going to get familiar with the Vyanjan G, right? G se Gamla. And yes, besides the EduMax class, which are the interactive classes at 11 o'clock, only the children, those who have registered for these classes, can join us. And parents, if you wish your children to learn and enjoy, then you will have to click on the link that we have shared with you, or call up us on the number and make your children join these EduMax classes after the assembly. And yes, in the evenings, we have EduMax Plus also for them. So these are the skill enhancements activity for the children. They can learn how to be more flexible by dancing on various numbers. They can be more creative by creating new things with the origami paper, with the clay, and there's a lot more for them to learn. And we also have Be Confident, the talk show for them, where they're learning how to pronounce the words correctly, how to frame nice sentences. And yes, we also are making familiar with various life skills, which is making them a better person. So if you wish your children to grow and learn, make them join these classes. So that's all for now. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.